Today we are diving into the world of build quality testing, the ever popular POCO X6 Pro 5G. But hold on tight because this unboxing experience is about to take a unique twist. We are going outdoors thanks to some unavoidable new rules in online shopping. Enough of the keyring, where's the knife? Cutting through the seals on the black cover reveals the iconic yellow POCO box. Inside the small box, you'll find the case, SIM ejector tool and paperwork. But the real star of the show, the POCO X6 Pro, sits beneath it all. Even with the plastic cover, the X6 Pro looks good. But it's when you take it out that the full yellow beauty is revealed. And let me tell you, the Fox Eco leather design feels just right at 190 grams. As for initial build impressions, it holds up well in my usual trial bend, no issues there. The yellow accent power button looks stunning against the black edges of the X6 Pro. In fact, the black and yellow color combo itself is a real head turner. Now on to the drop test. We accidentally dropped the X6 Pro from chair height and it left a clear dent on the edges. A reminder to handle with care. First, 2 drops from pocket or chair height on the back and display side. Thankfully, no issues there. Now the high drops, first on the back camera unit side. No visible damage or cracks on the camera lenses. And finally, the moment you have been waiting for, the last drop on the 120Hz OLED display. Surprisingly, it survives the hard drop without any cracks or hardware damage. The selfie camera boasts a 15.93 megapixel CMOS sensor with a triple LED flash. The main camera is a powerful 64.22 megapixel CMOS BSI. Secondary 8 megapixel camera is at f2.2 with a 120-degree angle of view, and a third 2 megapixel macro camera at f2.4. That is a weird kind of noise we have heard before while scratching all 4 lenses. We are hopeful that the X6 Pro will maintain POCO's reputation for the highest build quality, unlike many previous BBK devices with underwhelming and poor performing glass production. Scratches or marks are not visible on the glass production, signifying quality of a high level. Now on to fun stuff with value, the bend test, a crucial measure of build quality, structural strength and integrity. There's a significant degree of flex from the first OLED side bend and a slight after curve on the body. Pressure from the back also causes a bend and an after curve, but the X6 Pro manages without any damage. It's another win for the Poco brand for not failing on the channel, as the X6 Pro 5G passes the bend test with flying colors.